How to buy RATOMILTON token. So this token came under the symbol of Milton. Now before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards from crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the update about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener, and as you can see, the liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's good. That's made investment in the safe place. Now to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address sits under the Solana network. Now open your phantom wallet for that. Now click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address here. So this is our token. Click on it. So after that, type how much you want to buy using your soul. So this is how much you will be able to receive. Now after that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. And after that, click on swap, and you will be able to redact it to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face any issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage. And after that, you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Milton token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.